Hey there, beautiful soul. Welcome to Elevate Your Mind with Ale. If you are here, you're probably on a journey to discover more about yourself, unlock your full potential, and deepen your connection to the universe. And that's exactly what this space is all about. Each week, I share practical tools about spiritual insight, mythology, and motivational messages that can help you elevate your mind, your heart, and your soul. From guided meditations and manifestation tips to thought provoking conversations about the deeper mysteries of life, my goal is to help you grow into the fullest version of yourself. This is more than just a YouTube channel, it's a community of like minded souls who are ready to break free from limiting beliefs and to step into true power. Join me every week as we elevate our minds, challenge old patterns, and create the life we deserve. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. And don't forget to comment, share your thoughts, and become part of this amazing, ever growing family. Your journey of transformation starts now. Let's elevate together.